Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So this video is going to be very short and straight to the point. Okay, so I'm going to do a short review on one of the most requested videos on this channel. Okay, so this video is all about in case you sent the wrong or you made a wrong purchase, let's say data bundle or whatever transaction you are trying to do on MTN when it comes to data bundles. Okay, and then you sent it to the wrong number or whatsoever, and then you want to reverse that or convert maybe the data or airtime back into your MOMO wallet. There is a video you need to do that. You can notice that this video has a lot of viewers, meaning that the video is very legitimate. Now I want to state something emphatically clear. Okay, this video is mainly for those who made a mistake when they were trying to buy airtime and send it to their number, or send it to a different number, or in case it was mobile data. Okay, so you can do this by just reversing that using your MOMO wallet. So when you come to our page here, you can notice that that's the first video you see mostly playing. Okay, that's the first video you see. Now in case you encounter this problem and then you are an MTN user, okay, just follow the video step by step. Okay, it's very legitimate. It works. Everything we post on this channel works before we share the step-by-step videos with you. We don't post anything that do not work. Okay, so when you click on the video, you notice that this
then you choose what airtime. Okay, that's first option. Click on one, click on send, and then you choose what the person you want to send to, either yourself or others, okay, or other networks. Okay, so I want to do it for myself, so you choose what option one. Okay, so you choose that, and then let's choose an amount we want to.
Someone said it doesn't work in South Africa. So in case you are in South Africa and then you are not in Ghana, the code and the steps will not work for you. Okay, same applies to those who are in maybe Nigeria or other African countries. But in case you are a Ghanaian, there is a step-by-step guide for MTN users who are in Ghana. Okay, so this video will show you the step-by-step guide as to how to reverse the airtime back to your MOMO wallet. Now let me go back. Some of the videos on our playlist you can check out are the I Tried It series, and then the technology hacks series. Now the technology hacks are mainly made for data bundle, and then the video I'm just doing a review about like how to convert data, how to use midnight bundle during the daytime, and lots of data bundle code videos. Okay, some of these codes are new, and then others are old. Now the old ones, MTN might just cancel those options, just like they cancel the MTN Zoom bundle. So in case you find a video and then you try using the code and the code doesn't work for you, that doesn't mean that the video isn't valid. Okay, the video was valid when it was made. By the time maybe you saw the video, MTN had already maybe canceled that package. So all you have to do is just scroll to the recent videos. Okay, I always make updated videos regarding all these videos, regarding all these codes. So go look out for the recent videos, maybe 1 week ago, 1 month ago, or a few months back. All those codes might be active and then they will work. But once you check out a video that's maybe 2-3 years back, the code might have been reversed, okay, or it might have been cancelled, just like the Sun bundles. Now these are for data bundles, and in case you are a student, you have differential equation videos, mathematical induction videos, calculator tricks videos, and all that. Okay, and then in case you are into money making, I've made a video on how to make money, save money, and all that. So you can find all those videos on our channel. Okay, you just straightforward go to our playlist and check the videos out. Okay, the network is very bad, that's why it's taking time to load. So you can notice that all these videos are available for you. Now for the make money videos, they are evergreen videos, so whatever time you come across this video, either 1 year, 2 years, they will still remain the same. But for data bundle packages, due to the time frame involved, some of the codes might be reverted. Okay, so you have to check out the recent videos we make on the channel. Okay, so this was just a review of some of the things you have to know about our channel, make sure to subscribe, because I'll be dropping videos on how to get Netflix account for free, as well as what USD cards whilst you are in what Africa, Ghana, and other African countries. So I will see you in our next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.